Good morning, Randy here at Lano Equipment. Today we're going to talk about the economy product line that we have to offer. It runs right around 35% less money than the name brand equipment. That's the reason why we've taken some of the economy product lines in, but they're great product. As you can see, this snowblower is 74 inches wide, has an 18-inch feed auger that goes into this huge 26-inch fan, which is going to give you greater amount of momentum as far as throwing the snow further. This is set up in a fashion that just about any brand of machine we can take and hook this to, providing you have the case drain. As far as hooking up to the machine, one of the first things need to be done with this style of coupler system is just simply push it in like this, and what it does is it relieves the pressure. It makes it easier as far as hooking up the hoses when you do that. So then you just simply hooks in. And this smaller one is called a case drain. What it does is it gets rid of the oil in the drive system faster. It goes right back into the hydraulic tank is what the case drain does. As far as in regards to the controller itself, you have two switches. One of the switches is going to take and control the flap up and down. The other switch here is going to control the rotation of the blower, which is 260 degrees. And it's as easy as simply pull the cap off the power plug, slip this in, and then take and you can stick this at a convenient location where you can take and run the switches to control the function you wish to make. Now we'll show you how it works. Okay, once the machine is running, I activate the hydraulic system on the machine itself, engage the hydraulic flow by simply squeezing the trigger to activate as far as the flow onto it. Then I'll increase engine RPM. Then I can take and run the switch that controls the rotation of the turning spout itself. Then it'll take and show the deflection. To stop running the blower, decrease the engine RPM, squeeze the right trigger will stop the hydraulic flow in the machine, therefore stopping the attachment flow, and then you're ready to shut down. Okay, now that we've covered the snowblower, I'm excited to show you the rest of our attachment lineup in regards to the economy brand. One of the nice things about the economy branded set of forks we have and frame, we call it the walkthrough. So as you can see, when I swing the door open, it allows plenty of room for me to climb out and go through the fork. And then of course re-entry makes it a lot easier too. It also has the side step for us to step up onto the machine off to the side if you're carrying the load. It also is set where each fork has a lifting lock tab here. Then you can position the fork where you desire it, locks it into place so it doesn't slide. 48-inch overall length onto it. These are rated at 4,200 pounds. Now we'll move on to the next economy attachment. Now introducing the 74-inch wide land plane. These work great as far as leveling out yards, driveways, just simply grading. It kind of works the same way sandpaper does to wood. The more times you go back and forth, the smoother and the flatter you'll get it. They come standard with the reversible bolt-on edge in the front, as well as the rear, which we call the heel. The heel works good if you're cutting, where you lift the front end up, put the heel down, back up. It does an awesome job as far as cutting. When you need to get very aggressive, on this particular model, which works great, is the scarifying teeth. Those are hydraulically driven, and I'll show you in a moment how that hooks up. The other nice feature about this attachment is that it has the hooks built in here. So you come over the back side and you clip your bucket in and then hook the machine back up. For transporting reasons, it works great as far as when you have a bucket and grading bar and you can move it in one package. So far as hooking up the hydraulics is the same as what we've done on the other models. You take the palm of your hand and you push it in so you relieve the pressure in the machine itself. Then once that's done, it makes it a lot easier to just simply hook up the couplers and you're ready to go. Okay, so now in regards to auxiliary hydraulics, I just push my thumb one way, it has the teeth go down. I push it the other way and it comes up. So it all depends upon how aggressive you want to get, but you can lower the teeth down to maximum or just simply a certain amount to roughen the top hard surface. Now when you're done running the attachment itself, and this goes to any hydraulic attachment, the key to the success of hooking up the attachment again is to relieve the pressure prior to disconnecting. And what I mean by that is just simply grab a hold of the coupler itself, push in, and you'll see how it slides in. That relieves the pressure in the machine as well as the attachment. These hot days, black attachments, it get very hot. So by doing this, it creates a pressure loss in the lines where if you just simply disconnected it, the heat would expand the oil enough to make it very, very difficult to hook up. Again, just simply push in, and then the connection comes right off. For demonstration purposes, we have it elevated up so we're obviously not hitting the asphalt. And as you can see, the front roller wheels up in front still allow you movement as far as the head. You know, do turn to your left or turn to your right. Just hit your auxiliary hydraulic button, then squeeze the right trigger finger. We'll add, then your hydraulic flow will start, and then at that point when you want to change from left or right angle onto it, then you'd activate your remote switch. Okay, now you've seen the 4 of the products that we offer in the Lano economy line. The snow blower, the 74-inch land plane with the hydraulic scarifier, the walk-through pallet forks, and then the 74-inch soil conditioner. Give us a call. We'd like to work with you. Thank you.